In this video, we're going to talk about rituals. That is number 4 in Patrick Hanlon's Primal Branding. This is the 4th video in our series covering Patrick Hanlon's Primal Branding concepts. Primal branding are the codes that you as a brand need to activate in order to create zealots for your brand. If you can activate those instinctive codes that people have in their mind, then you will create people that are absolutely obsessed with your brand, your company, your service, and your product. You can turn customers and clients into followers and fans. Rituals is the 4th step. If you have the other things in place, rituals is what comes up as a process of using your product or being a part of your service. An example might be when someone purchases a Tesla vehicle, they charge that vehicle as opposed to pumping gas into that vehicle. When somebody purchases Under Armour clothing, they put that second skin on before they put on the rest of their clothing, because Under Armour, it protects this house. When you put on that second skin, it's protecting the temple of your body. People who are Nike fans, they throw on those Nike shoes, that Nike apparel, and they go and they work out. That's their ritual. They work out, they train, they work hard in their sport. If you can find a way to incorporate rituals as a part of your brand experience, whether it's a ritual in using your product or a ritual as a part of receiving the services that you provide, you incorporate those rituals and people will begin to become a part of your family, a part of your tribe, and a part of your company's legion. They will become brand obsessed with your brand. And that is what we're looking to do so that you can have more followers, more fans, more customers, and more clients. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. If you want to learn the next step, we'll be talking about sacred words in the next video. Click right here. Please like and subscribe. We'll have more content like this coming, and we'll see you next time.